Hello, you are welcome to Primary 1 English class. I am Boniface Chima Kingsley. Now today we'll be looking at phonics. Now, you'll be asking yourself, what is phonics? Phonics is very simple how to pronunciation. You know, some people cannot pronounce, and that is very bad. They cannot even read simple rat, pronounce cup. Some people cannot pronounce it. You can pronounce it. So we are going to start step by step. I hope you are ready to follow us. We are going to start step by step. That is how to pronounce. You see, pronunciation is very easy. Don't be afraid of some words. Once you know how to pronounce it, you'll be very happy. Your parents will be very happy. So pay attention and see how we are going to be pronouncing them one after the other. But first, we have to start with the simple one, which is the English alphabet. We have to start with the English alphabet. How to pronounce the English alphabet. Now, the English alphabets are very simple to pronounce. Of course, you've been doing that, but it might interest you to know that some people don't know how to pronounce it. Today you're going to see how to pronounce it. That's why you see this one will pronounce it differently, the other one pronounces differently. Let's learn the correct way to pronounce English alphabet. Now let's start with the first one. Alphabet A. Now you say after me, A. It is not A. You don't pronounce it as A, it is A. You see, some people will say A. That's not how to pronounce it. The pronunciation is A. Now we go to the next one. A, like one we have in A as in ant. A as in ant. That A you used to see in ant. It's called A, letter A. Now we go to the next one. Letter B as in ball. Letter B. It's not B, it's B. A, B. A, B. That's how to pronounce it. Now you see, it's very simple. Now pronounce it A, B. Very simple. So you don't have to stress yourself, okay? Now we'll see the next one. Letter C as in cap. Letter C as in cap. It is called C. Say it. C. That's very simple. A, B, C. You see, step by step, you get it. It's very simple. Now we'll look at another one. The letter D. The letter D. Now let's just be going step by step. A, B, C, D. You see, it's very simple. It's not simple. It's very simple. A, B, C, D. That is, if you pronounce it like that, you've gotten it. Anywhere you go in the world, it's still the same pronunciation. Okay, let's look at another one. Letter E. A, B, C, D, E. E. Say it. E. Good. That's just how to pronounce it. A, B, C, D, E. Now see this one. This one is so good. This one I'm going to say now. This one is the letter F. Letter F. Say it. F. Just as if you want to open your mouth so wide and you take it easily. F. F. Letter F. That's so simple. So now let's take it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Yes. Now you can say A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now let's look at this one. G. 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 Say it. G. Yes, G. That's just how to pronounce it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You just close your tooth tip and say G. There will be something like a vibration. G, not G. It's G. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We get the next one. H. It's not H, it's H. Say it. H. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H. Okay, now we look at this one. I. Not I, is I. Now look at the pronunciation. This one is very simple. I, not I. So we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay? Now let's look at another one. The J. You see, this one is also simple like the rest. I know the other ones are very simple. So this one is equally simple. J. Not J. J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, now look at the next one is K. K is just like J, but you just make it to have a vibrating sound. K. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, now let's look at another one. L. Not L. L. Now we have the next one. M. This one is so sharp. M. You see, just like you want to stop. M. Now we have the next one, which is N. Also fast like M. N is a brother to M. So you have N. You see, N. Okay. Now have O. That's how to pronounce it. Not O, it's O. Say it. O. That's how to pronounce one. Very simple. O. You know, you tell somebody close to you, it is letter O. It is letter O. That's how to pronounce it. It's not O, it is O. Okay, we have the next one. Letter P. Letter P. Say P. You close the mouth like this and force air to go. P. O. P. Now we have the other one. Q. Say it. Q. Yes. That's how to pronounce it. Very simple. Now have R. That's how to pronounce this one. Very simple. R. Okay? We are coming. Now, we have next one. Now, this one is very simple. S. Don't make it long. It's not long. S. Yes. S. Now, have this one you often see. T. Close your teeth and then pronounce it quietly. T. That's how to pronounce it. Very simple. T. Okay? Yes. Now let's take three at once. U. Say it. U. V. This one you just do. V. Now look at this one. W. U, V, W. Now, X. No, there's a difference between this one and this one. This one is S. This one X. Now, Y and Z. Some people call it Z. I'll teach you a song. U, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, XYZ. Now you go through that song, learn it more and more, and I hope you are going to enjoy it. Stay with us, then acknowledge.